Hi everybody, it's me Sarah and I'm back with you guys again. I'm here with my natural hair this time. And guess what I'm doing? I am going natural for the rest of the motherfucking year. Yes, I am, bitches. Okay, I don't know about the motherfucking year, but like, right now I'm going natural and that's just the way it is. I'm confused all the time, so I might even switch it up. I don't fucking know. So anywho, I am gonna be bleaching my hair with you guys today. I've never done it before, so I'm a bleach version for my own natural hair. Usually I be bleaching wigs, as you guys know, and dyeing wigs, but this time I don't know what got into me. As you guys can see, I've been stressing a lot, so you know, I bet you going a little bit bald right here, but that's okay. So here we go. So I got my mix right here, as you guys can see. Yeah, I'm gonna be going layer by layer. I don't know if I need a little bit more. What do you guys can think about the consistency? I don't even fucking know. Should I use a little bit more volume developer? I'll be back. So anyways, I add a little bit more volume developer. Today is November 3rd. I'm just gonna take it as November 3rd, and this is the day that I decided to bleach my hair. And we're going natural, I guess you can say that. So I'm gonna start taking better care of my inner self, my inner soul. I've noticed that I've become a lot more emotional, a lot more bitter during these times, and I don't know if it's because of COVID or what it is, or just being able to spend time for myself. But anyways, FYI, yesterday was the last day of Mercury in retrograde. I don't know if that had anything to do with my moods anyway, but I just feel like I need to do a new transition. I need to do something new, step into something new. I feel like I've been wearing wigs almost all my life, maybe weaves all my life. And right now I just feel like I need to do something different. You know what I mean? I was motivated by my girl Shanice. She's always been going natural, you know what I mean? But like, I really sat and I'm like, you know what? Bitch, you need to change up your life. Wigs are not forever. Like, I love wigs. I will continue to wear wigs maybe later on in the future because wigs allow me to like be whoever I want to be. But I don't know, I just want to be able to test my hair and deal with my hair. So this is a lot of actual hair bleach. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna bleach the whole thing. Actually, I'm gonna bleach the roots. I mean, like the end roots, right? I'm gonna bleach the end roots and try that. A lot of people, I don't know what it is, but I feel like with a lot of people, as a black woman, I've noticed that like a lot of people either judge me and say, don't go natural, I like the wigs, I like the da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, but wigs are always there. I can always fucking do it. But I really want to actually try going natural. Like, I want to try something different. Like, I'm not doing it for everybody. I'm doing it for myself, bitch. If you don't like it, fuck you, period. At the end of the day, I'm not doing it for you. I don't care about nobody's fucking opinion. I'm gonna fucking do whatever I want to do with my head. It's my head top. I'm gonna learn from this shit. You know what I mean? Hair has always been scarring for me ever since young. Like, ever since young, I've been traumatized and I'm tired of this shit. I'm fucking tired. Bitch is tired. Oh god. Okay, so anywho, I'm gonna loosen that up. Fuck, I'm doing this shit. Sorry, language. So my hair is dirty right now. Oh god, you can see how dirty it is. Like, you can really see how dirty it is. So I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm going to just start bleaching. Look at so much breakage. And I probably shouldn't even be bleaching it, but I don't even fucking care. I'm gonna fucking, at least I could fucking see that I motherfucking did it. Oh, I applied the bleach, guys. Okay, it's applied. It's too late. I'm done. It's applied. It's fucking applied. So I'm just gonna start by going like this. I was gonna like, yeah, let's just start by going like this. It might not be fully even, but I'm doing it. I'm not gonna get the roots. I'm just gonna do like this. So I'm back, guys. I don't have hands right now, so right now I'm just mixing up some more hair dye, hair bleach. I keep saying hair dye, like what? want, so just keep going. I just want to show you guys how light the bleach had made my hair in the back. Obviously, because I started off in the back, it got lighter, but I noticed that in general, the back of my hair is just probably contains more heat than the front. The sides were bleaching fairly well. Sorry, I got some bleach in my ear there. And I was just trying to get the front to bleach a little bit more lighter, but I was a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want my hair to dry up, but it was looking nice. It was looking sweet. I kind of like it. So I ended up adding purple shampoo to wash out my hair and to allow my hair to tone. So hopefully it won't be too yellow and everything could look nice and evened out. So I kind of like it. It brings out my face so much. Oh god, I'm so wet. I'm going to add conditioner. Ew.
And just in there. Do that. Just get up in there. See, now you guys notice the bump that's happening here, but it don't matter because it still looks cute though. Period. Period, poop. And we're just gonna put as much conditioner as we can because sis, it's 2020. We ain't going into 2021 looking like dry ass Susie. Look at the center of my hair, guys. It's like super, 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 super blonde. Super blonde.
My this hair thingy. I had this hair oil I wanted to advertise, but I can't seem to find it. But anywho's, I have this hair oil which was gifted to me by a friend. I'm gonna try. It's called virgin coconut moisturizer. So I'm gonna put it in my hair while I have the conditioner in there and steam it with it together. So sis, we gotta make sure we get that coconut oil all up in there. Yes, just like that, just like that. This hair color looks so beautiful on me. I can't even explain it. I'm happy. So guys, I have dried my hair, not really, but I've been putting these thingies that I found in my house in my hair. As you can see, the colors like half and half, but it's gone in. I decided to use Got2b glue holding spray because it helps hold the hair, and I'm using it to stretch the hair as well to get that long curly type flow. These rods are amazing. I had them in my closet for a long while, so they're very helpful. I don't know what they're called, but I know they work and they're cute, and it's gonna be on and popping, sis and brother. So get into it. So I'm all done. I'm gonna leave it until tomorrow. So I'm gonna go take a night night. Bye guys. I'll be back. How do you guys like it? I think I'm friggin' in love with my hair. It's a little bit wet right now, but I am in love. Comment below, tell me what you think. I think I look fucking amazing. Look at it, 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 look at it. Ow, pow. Such a nerd. But anyways, thank you guys. I think I look fucking amazing. I should like take so many photos of these. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. My hair looks fabulous. Comment below, tell me what you think. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. I look like a fully grown ass motherfucking